Gardening in clay soil presents unique challenges, but when done correctly, it can yield incredible results. The dense, nutrient-rich composition of clay makes it one of the most fertile soil types, but poor drainage, compaction, and difficulty in root penetration can cause problems for many plants. Companion planting is a fantastic way to improve plant health and boost yields, but many gardeners unknowingly make mistakes when pairing plants in clay soil. Let's dive into the 10 most common companion planting mistakes in clay soil, and how you can fix them for a thriving, productive garden. Mistake number 1. Planting deep-rooted crops too close together. Clay soil tends to be heavy and compact, which makes it difficult for deep-rooted plants to spread out effectively. Many gardeners assume that companion plants can be grouped closely together to maximize space, but in clay soil, this can lead to overcrowding and competition for limited root space. Plants like carrots, parsnips, and potatoes struggle to grow properly when planted too close to other deep-rooted crops like tomatoes or corn. The fix: instead of crowding deep-rooted plants together, interplant them with shallow-rooted companions that don't compete for the same soil depth. For example, pairing carrots with lettuce or radishes ensures that the carrots have enough room to develop underground while the shallow-rooted plants take advantage of surface nutrients. Additionally, amending clay soil with organic matter like compost or aged manure can improve soil structure and make it easier for roots to penetrate. Mistake number 2. Choosing water-sensitive companions. One of the biggest challenges with clay soil is its tendency to retain water for long periods. While some plants thrive in consistently moist conditions, others are highly susceptible to root rot and fungal diseases when grown in wet soil. Pairing drought-tolerant plants like rosemary, thyme, or lavender with moisture-loving vegetables such as tomatoes, cucumbers, or squash can lead to imbalances that stunt plant growth. The fix: select companion plants with similar water needs to avoid stress and disease. For example, instead of planting lavender near tomatoes, opt for basil or marigolds, which thrive in similar conditions. Additionally, improve soil drainage by incorporating sand, perlite, or organic matter into the soil to reduce excessive moisture retention. Mistake number 3. Ignoring the role of nitrogen-fixing plants. Many gardeners overlook the power of nitrogen-fixing plants when growing in clay soil. Legumes like peas, beans, and clover have a unique ability to improve soil fertility by converting atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can use. When clay soil is nutrient deficient or compacted, failing to incorporate nitrogen-fixing plants can lead to poor growth and low yields for heavy-feeding crops like corn, tomatoes, and cabbage. The fix: rotate nitrogen-fixing plants throughout your garden and pair them with heavy feeders. For instance, planting bush beans alongside brassicas, like cabbage, broccoli, and kale, helps enrich the soil with nitrogen, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. Additionally, using cover crops such as clover in the off-season can further enhance soil health and structure. Mistake number 4. Using the wrong mulch. Mulching is essential for retaining moisture, suppressing weeds, and regulating soil temperature, but the type of mulch you choose can make or break your clay soil garden. Many gardeners use heavy mulches like wood chips or thick straw layers, which can further compact the soil and prevent air circulation. In clay soil, improper mulching can trap excess moisture, leading to fungal diseases and slow plant growth. The fix: choose light, well-aerated mulch materials like shredded leaves, grass clippings, or finely chopped straw. These organic materials break down faster and improve soil structure over time, making it easier for roots to grow. Applying a thin layer, about 1 to 2 inches, around plants helps maintain soil moisture without suffocating the roots. Additionally, mixing in compost before mulching can provide an extra boost of nutrients. Mistake number 5. Overlooking natural pest control pairings. Clay soil often attracts pests like aphids, slugs, and fungal gnats due to its moisture-retaining properties. Many gardeners rely on chemical pesticides to deal with infestations, but failing to incorporate pest-repelling companion plants can lead to long-term pest problems and disrupt the garden ecosystem. The fix. Utilize natural pest deterrents by pairing plants that repel harmful insects while attracting beneficial pollinators. For example, planting onions or garlic near carrots helps deter carrot flies, while marigolds can keep aphids and nematodes away from tomatoes and peppers. Similarly, planting dill or fennel near brassicas attracts predatory insects like ladybugs and lacewings, which help control pest populations naturally. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to Hydro Haven on YouTube for more expert gardening tips, and share this with fellow gardeners looking to improve their soil health. Happy planting!